I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to get a refund for a cancelled Hulu subscription, follow these steps to make the process smoother. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by signing into your Hulu account on the website or app. This is where you'll find all your subscription details. Step 2. Navigate to subscription settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings and find the subscription section. Here, you can view your current plan and payment history. Step 3. Check for refund eligibility. Review Hulu's refund policy to see if you're eligible for a refund based on your cancellation date. Typically, refunds are issued within a specific time frame after cancellation. Step 4. Contact customer support. If you believe you're eligible for a refund, reach out to Hulu's customer support. You can do this via chat or phone. Be prepared to provide your account details and reason for the refund request. Step 5. Follow up. After your request, keep an eye on your email for confirmation or any updates regarding your refund. If you don't hear back in a few days, don't hesitate to follow up. Sometimes, refunds can take longer than expected, especially if there is a high volume of requests. Just be patient and persistent. I hope this helped you get your refund quickly.